Hello and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. Today's video is a thrift store haul, specifically Salvation Army thrift store. I needed a jar for my kombucha scoby hotel. So this has got my friend gave me another jar. I think it was like a big gallon pickle jar or something, but it didn't have a wide mouth. So this one will actually be better for it because I can get my whole hand into it. And it's a good start for a scoby hotel. It's got plenty of room. Scoby is for making kombucha, which is fermented tea. And anyways, this will be for my extra scobies because every time you make a batch of kombucha, you get another scoby. So when the scobies get thick enough, I'm going to be putting them in here with some old kombucha. And then I'll cover it so nothing gets into it. And then if I ever need to make a different batch of something, or if I want to try a different batch of because it usually uses black tea, you can use green tea for some things, but if you want to try different things like coffee kombucha or things like that I've heard on the kombucha websites, you're going to want to try it with a different SCOBY, so if it goes bad, you can just throw it out. So this will be my SCOBY hotel, and I picked that up for $1.99. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I'll zoom in. They kind of got very faint stickers on them, but it's got a nice lip, so the rubber band or whatever I used to hold the lid on, which has to be breathable. Just so a coffee filter won't fit on this one, so I'm gonna have to get a piece of cotton fabric. You don't want to use cheesecloth because it's too open, and that means that the little gnats can go into it, and gnats love kombucha. So you want to keep them out of there, of course. Caper does not like kombucha. She likes the store-bought kombucha, but not home-brewed. So, and then I got a spaghetti spork, whatever you want to call it, for 49 cents. Makes a little noise, huh, Kipper? So that was my haul. I also got the 2 cans of food that was in another video. I don't know if you'll see that before this one or vice versa. And then on the way back, we found 2 pennies. So we're 2 pennies richer than we were before. And Caber really wants a cherry tomato. So we're going to say stay safe and have a great day. Bye for now.